Hello, students. This is Saxon Algebra 2, Lesson 77, Part A, Advanced Radical Equations. The new twist in this lesson is recognizing that square roots are not the only radicals. There are also cube roots and fourth roots and 51st roots and pi roots and 5.23 roots. It turns out that you deal with these just like you deal with square roots. What do I mean by that? Well, let's take this and make it into an equation. The square root of x minus 1 equals 4. So what do? We square both sides. X minus 1 equals 16. Then we use our algebra tools to solve it. X equals 17. I added 1 to both sides, as you can clearly see. Now, the important thing about radical equations is you always have to plug the answer you get back into the original equation, because squaring both sides can give you spurious results. And so we want to check 17 minus 1, the square root of 17 minus 1. Is that equal to 4? Yes, it is. But just because it's yes 90% of the time, don't forget that other 10%, those are the ones that might be on the test. Okay. So now here's the same equation. In fact, I'll leave that up there so you have it, and I'll just rewrite it. Here's x minus 1, but this time we're going to take the cube root, make that real prominent, equals 4. And what do? We cube both sides. So we get x minus 1 equals 4 cubed equals 64. And then we solve using our algebra skills, just like before. X equals 65. And then we do the same thing. We have to plug it into the original equation, because raising both sides of an equation to any power can give you spurious answers. So we have to check out, is 65, the cube root of 65 minus 1, is that equal to 4? Yes, it is. And again, just because it happens 90% of the time does not mean it's going to happen 100% of the time. So please check it out. The example that they gave us is only slightly more complicated, but I'm going to do it in a separate video. So I'll see you soon.